So I'm gonna use a large pot because I don't have a medium-sized pot with a lid. I only have a small one and this large one. So I added about 1/4 of water to this. Since this is only for 2 people, I'm only gonna use 1 pound of the boneless chicken leg meat. It's only about 2 pieces of chicken, but that's more than enough for just my husband and I. Then I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of chicken flavor seasoning. So 1 and 2. And I'm gonna cover this until it's fully cooked. In a small pot, I'm going to add just a little bit of water. For the salsa, we're going to need 5 of these green tomatillos, 1 lime, 2 habanero chilies, 3 avocados, and 2 cucumbers, plus salt to your liking. So here I have my water boiling, and I'm just gonna add the tomatillos, and I'm going to cover it. Here we're going to put our tortillas so that when we roll our taquitos or our flautas, they don't break. Okay, and then here we're gonna start to roll out the taquitos. Some people do use toothpicks to hold it together, but I just put it face down with the little last piece facing down on a little tray. And once they're a little bit colder, they do stay like that. So when you cook them in the oil, they don't come apart. What I like about these is that you can make a lot of them and then just leave them like this, and you can make these the next day, or if you're having this for lunch, you can make some more for dinner. Usually I do like to make extras so that I can make these the next day and have this for lunch. Okay, I'm just gonna add some oil.